Hey guys, Daz and R here at the ranch today, and I'm not sure what we're talking about, maybe just some views. It is butt ass hot. It is so goddamn hot. It's hot. It's so hot. We got some rain yesterday. Some of the last videos I was making, it was just flooded out here. There was so much rain, so many mushies, but today just giving it a little see-through showing you guys what it's like out here when it's like heat index 104. That's what it's at today, 104. My car thermometer said 94. So yeah, got some new boots. These are nice and pricey. They feel really comfy though, so that's nice. I'm heading into the forest just to hit up this trail, and then I'm gonna maybe wander into the field and bring the camera back out. It's got the fan. Oh, it is hot, guys. Days like this, it's better to be in the shade when you can be. Reduce your chance of heat stroke. Yeah, I've almost got heat stroke out here before. Not this place, but there's another field I've actually done a video at, and yeah, there's like no shade because it's all pine trees. Pine trees aren't really shady. And the heat index was 107. I remember it very specifically, and it was like 99 degrees, or no, my bad. It was 103 degrees and the heat index was 107. And I think that's as hot as it can get in Florida with all the humidity. It was something stupid, guys. It was something stupid. That's the point. That's the point. So cleared out back there. I wonder what there used to be. There's a road too, or what once used to be a road, and now it's just a very cleared path. So just curious what was there like 100 years ago when this was an actual active farm somebody owned. Yeah, it's time to bust out the fan. Holy. So it's still wet. I don't see anything now. All right, we'll pick this back up in the forest, guys. How about that? Little change of scenery. Whew. So, we've made it here. Look how soaked the trail is today. Yeah, I'm not going to be finding any anything I'm looking for out here. I'm just going out here because, as you can see, this trail is very annoying to walk. So there is a phone game I play, and there is a point deep that way that I capture and take. And I say good luck to anyone else who's gonna try and come back here and take it back. Because usually they don't know to bring boots. Someone was just here not too long ago, a couple days ago. And yeah, they didn't know. They did not have bug sprayer boots. I came out here and it was worse than this before. It was like more water. I would die without this fan. Holy crap. It just helps like get some of the sweat off. Because the high humidity, it's probably in the like 60% humidity today. I didn't check. But it makes it so it's really hard to sweat the higher the humidity. It's not harder to sweat, it's harder for the sweat to evaporate, my bad. Which is what cools you down. Damn, you see that orb weaver? Not wanna mess with her. Ones that big are usually females. I religiously put on bug spray, in case you're wondering. Like, I put on some suntan lotion because it's glaringly sunny today, and put on a slathered amount of bug spray. Look at this, are you kidding? Who's gonna come back here and take this from me? Who's gonna be that fool? So I don't know how to record phone content. I'll get an app for that eventually. I think that's what you do. You get an app and record it. I have never looked it up, so I don't know. But there is a footbridge up ahead. You guys may have seen this before, because I've walked this path before. But should be really flooded it out. Flooded it out. So that means mosquitoes galore. That'll be really cool, right? Yeah. And I gotta hang out there for like 5 minutes for my game. Here it is. So this creek, I would call it Seminole Creek, ends up that way. Flows down into St. John's River. It's got two branches of it because there are two main ditches for the park. They are at full capacity as well. And if we got a hurricane back here, whoo-wee! Hurricane would wreck. Simply wreck. This water, like mosquito ridden, yeah. Oh my goodness. All right, well I gotta go do this thing here, which you guys probably can't see, but I will be back, or we'll cut the video, or one of the, it is so hot. Whew. Out of that forest and into this forest, found a stream or creek and got my head wet because it is fucking hot, guys. I don't know how to stress that. It's so hot, I sweated it off my suntan spray. So So I'm actually heading back to the car and put on a little more before I go out into the actual field, into true suffering. So got out of the woods, of course. The weather has really dried up. Oh cool, this is neat. I've never seen this here before. That is driven into the ground. I've never seen this here before. Cool. Oh, shit like that's neat. That's some good scrap metal right there, for sure. Anyways, it's so hot, and it's been pretty dry here in Florida. Well, not here in Florida. Here in Central Florida, where I'm at. It's been dry the past like 5 or so days, maybe even more. And that kind of slowed down the mycelium growth out here, I think. That or other people are just coming here non-stop. I don't know. But I'm not seeing much of anything. Nothing. Like, nothing. No anything. No fungi. And that's like, whoa, that's weird. But it's probably because it's so hot and there's so little moisture that the humidity just probably isn't getting over like 60% at best, 70%. And then at night, it might get into the 80%, but like you need it like that during the day too. So, short story, I got plenty of time to make a video. So, yeah, I'm doing it. We're going up here. Woo. Oh, check that out. It's a spider's web if I've seen them before. Cool. Okay, don't break my ankle. All right. Yeah, it's a good spot to end it for this one. I'll start another video and come up with a topic, an actual topic. Hope you guys enjoyed this boring nature vlog. Thanks, take care. Peace, love you. We got some grape here and some smilax, oak tree, palm tree. Peace.